Hi all, welcome to Anjus universe. Today we are going to do samosa. This is very famous Indian street chat item. So let's get started. What are the ingredients we need? Let me go through it. This one is maida. I have added caraway seeds into it, just a 2 pinch or something like that, and salt according to taste, and 2 tablespoons of normal oil. And this is boiled potato. I have mashed it, and these are the spices we need. So let's start from here. This is garam masala powder. If you want to know the recipe of garam masala powder, how to make it, let me know through this comment section. This is amchur powder, dry mango powder. This is nigella seed. This is full cumin seed. This is hing, asafoetida. This is powdered coriander powder, and this one is turmeric. This is chili powder. This is chopped coriander leaves. This is white peas I have boiled with salt, and this is raw peanut. I have crushed it. This is ginger grated and chopped chilies. So let's start. First we'll knead the dough with. So here's our dough. It looks like this. It should be little harder than chapati dough, but not too much hard. So we'll cover it. We'll put the lid on it, and we'll leave it until at that time we are going to do our masala. So let's do that. Now we'll do the masala for that. I'll put just 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil started heating up. I'll add nigella seeds and coriander seeds, hing, asafoetida, it's crackling now. Now I'm going to add all the spices. Now we'll add the peanut, chili and ginger. Chopped corianders, and salt. I have added salt also. Now the white peas. Normally I'll do with green peas. Now I don't have green peas, so I have added white peas. It's up to you. You can add green peas also, white peas also. Now we'll add the boiled potatoes. mix it properly. Stuffing for the samosa is ready. We'll keep it for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will cool down. Then only we'll stuff inside that samosa. Till that time we'll roll the samosa sheets. So I have put oil in a pan to heat, and we'll go to make the dough and make the samosas. Balls. So we'll do like puri type balls. If it's too wet, you can use dry flour. And we'll roll like puri. Or you can use oil also instead of flour. I like to use flour. So we are going to try today new designs. So here, this one is the normal puri type. With the help of the pizza cutter, I will just cut one side of this puri. Another side is plain. Now we'll fold like this. I'll put some water into it. Just brush it with water. Now we'll fold. And the second fold, again we'll put some water and the second fold. And we'll press. Now we'll put the stuffing into it. Don't put too much, just little bit, otherwise it will be difficult to fold. We'll press like this. See, here's the one design. We'll keep aside. Our oil is hot now, so we'll put one by one. This is the normal samosa shape. I've tried different type of designs. Do not put too much, just 5, 4 like that. And let it fry in slow flame till it becomes golden brown. So I have put second sets of samosa. I'll show you the first set, how it looks. So this one I have taken out in tissue paper, different shapes. This one the cut ones. This is the normal samosa shape. This is just a triangle shape. This is like a cigar. So you can try different shapes. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Bye.